Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures, and in this episode of Alex's Adventures, you're going to take a walking tour around Old Town Orange in Orange, California. So we are here in the city of Orange. We're going to take a tour around the Plaza Historic District. This is known as Old Town Orange, and here we go. So this is Old Town Orange. We are on Glassell Street, and the cross street that we are going to walk towards to is Chapman Avenue, and this is one of the main streets of Old Town Orange. Here we have an antique shop right there, and we have some outdoor dining. We are in the midst of a pandemic. That's why you see outdoor dining and outdoor stuff. Here's a closer look at the antique store known as the Antique Depot. Old Town Orange is known for its several antique shops and antique stores. Some unique stores that you'll find here and not anywhere else. Here we have the OC Estate Jewelry Store. Here we're approaching towards the Orange Circle, which has a park in the middle of the intersection of Glassell and Chapman. Here we have this little alleyway, and most of these buildings are historic. Here we have another unique store that you don't find anywhere else. This is the Army Navy store. Here you have another antique store. Here you have several restaurants. Here we have a Paris in a Cup Cafe and Tea Salon. On your right, you have a flower shop, and you also have a Blaze Pizza. Blaze Pizza is a make your own pizza chain that you can find anywhere else, including in shopping malls. Here we are at the center of the Old Town Orange. We're at the intersection of Glassell and Chapman Avenue. Here you have a Starbucks, another coffee chain. Here you have more outdoor dining, since we are in the midst of a pandemic. Here you have a barber shop. And here is the park in the middle of the intersection. And here you have the fountain. Here we have a QR code if you want to take a tour, a historic plaza tour of Old Town Orange. Pretty neat right there. Here in the middle of a park we have a fountain. Here you can see people resting and enjoying their time at the park. Here we look down on Chapman Avenue. You have several historic buildings in the middle of Old Town Orange. On your left is a bank, Wells Fargo Bank. Can you see over there? You have another bank right there. And this is a historic establishment. This is Watson Soda Fountain and Cafe. Let's go back to the circle. And let's continue to walk down on Glassell Street. Here you can see that this section of the area is more busier than what we began, from where we began, that is. Here you have a bank, Citizens Business Bank, and you have several unique shops, family-run small businesses. Here you have an ice cream parlor right there. You have several restaurants. Here on your right is a toy store, something that you don't see nowadays. And if we continue to walk down this street, you'd reach Chapman University. So you have some empty business here. This is a pub, O'Hara's Pub, Cocktails and Pool. So you have more outdoor dining area. Here you have the pizza press and other not do it yourself, make your own pizza chain, like Blaze Pizza. And here you have a comic book store right there. And here is, this used to be a theater, now converted into a church. And as you can see, the street has been, Glassell Street has been shut down to have an outdoor restaurant and retail business. As you can see there, Orange Plaza Paseo, outdoor dining and retail, 2020. Here you have Phil's Coffee. That used to be a gas station. And here you have the filling station. Here you have a coffee shop right there. And let's go back to the center. So you can see Chapman Avenue. I'm going to walk down towards this end of the street. So here you have several shops and restaurants down on this end. If you walk down straight on this end, you'd reach and Chapman Avenue leads to the west. So if you walk down, continue to walk down, you reach the train station where you can take Metrolink or Amtrak. That's about it from Old Town Orange in Orange, California. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this place. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Ventures. And I will see you on the next one.